Okay, here is the video tour after move-in. Sort of. Not everything is put away yet, but it's pretty close. Washer and dryer was delivered yesterday. There's the guest room. It's a mess for me and Phil having our stuff in there. The bathroom looks the same. Okay. Here we are in the kitchen. Looks very nice. We've got all the dishes put away, all the china. Delivered the fridge yesterday. There's all Debbie and Vern's wine from our wine tours today. We got kitchen table, hutch. Oh, and also you'll notice there are blinds now. Here's the den. Piano is going against that wall there, but it has to wait to be moved until the cable guy comes next week. And here's the desk that they installed on Monday. I think they have to come back and tweak it a little bit, but it looks pretty good. Okay. On to the living room. We watched a movie last night up there. I know Vern hopes to get a new flat screen for that, though. And there is the living room. It's very cozy, especially when the fireplace is on. Okay, here's the master bedroom. They don't have their bedroom furniture yet. It's coming Friday, so that'll be nice once that gets here. But they have their bed. And here is the master bathroom. Debbie's got some really cute giraffe print towels in here. New blinds. And that pretty much completes the tour, I believe.